Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Motor Builder, and we're going on with a beautiful train. Yes, by IXO, and I've got the new magazine number 3 right in front. Oh, they say kit, but kit number 3 at the ready, and let's get straight into this because I love it. It is a fiddly build, but it's a really nice one. That's the belly cam, and then the top camera. So that is the magazine, as you can see right there, kit number 3. Traveling 6,000, a voyage, a voyage, a journey of 6,000 kilometers. Yeah, my French is rusty, as you can see, and my English as well. Couldn't find the right word. Love to see these old pictures. Historical facts about these things are there as well, but they're all in French. You can find them on the website. And right here we see how we do that bumper and bulkhead, as you can see right there, and there. So let's go on. Love this picture as well. So let's get straight into this and go on with that beautiful build. We're getting that one on, and these, and there are some holes there, but I've got it on the wrong side here. Oh, that's so this is the right hand side, yep, and that is the left hand side. There are L's and R's in there, so you know which side you're using. And we're getting AM screws out, 4, and we are going to put a bit of oil on that, so let's get that oil a little bit closer. It's metal, don't over tighten it. You can say that with plastic as well, but with metal, if you lose that screw thread, it's not nice. Same thing goes with plastic, but plastic you can still glue in. It's a little bit harder with these, but it's possible, but be careful anyway. Now let's have a look. Have a good look, because there's a larger and a smaller hole. So we put it on like so. A square one, that's the one we need. We put on top, and then we put that one on, and we put a TM in the middle of that. Where is my TM? Right there. That's a lot better. We do the other side as well. Same thing, TM screw. That's in there nicely. Let's go on and see what we... Yeah, we've got that TM there. Then we've got those springs, and we need to get them out because they're tiny, and they've put a little plastic on top of it to make sure it doesn't fall out. That one, and the 2 bumpers, train bumpers in this case. So let's put that spring in, yep, and then we get AAPs, which is a monkey in Dutch. Alright, that's the first one in. As you can see, it's bumpy, so we're going to do that again. And that is what we have, and as you can see right there, they sink in. So we have that, those 2, that's exactly how they do it, and we have that and that, and this will come in later. Alright, after some toiling, that is what we should have. Oh, let's see what we do with that. And we put an ASM through that to keep that from coming out. So I think it's easier to pre-thread this, and to do that with any very, very small parts that come together just makes it easier to put that screw in, because it is hard to get those screws in. Alright, as you can see, the screw is through there. It's a hard thing to do, I can tell you that. That hook should be up, and because in the picture it showed is down there. So let's see what we do next. There we go. Number 4, with a different part of the train showing 141R Mikado. There we go. Steam train going full ahead. Single drivers. And there we go. That is what we're working on, and this time is the assembly of the smoke screen, their platforms and footrests, and an installation of the front lantern bracket. There we go. Ooh, we're putting those two together that we did in the previous stages. That is nice. All right, there we go. Let's see what we are. Oh, I didn't show you the back picture. Really nice as well. All right, let's get them out and see what is on the blister, because we had that one in the previous one, the one before that, and the one before that. I really like how they do that, but only if we have blisters, because I know they don't go on with blisters all the way. Usually they have something different. So it's getting fiddly again, guys. It's getting fiddly already trying to get those out. They don't stay in. So let's try a bit of my seeping glue. No. Wow, how am I going to keep those in? Oh, this is something nice again, guys. That's one done. Wow. They ain't easy, guys. Alright, we've got them done. Let's leave them to dry and see what we do next. So we're going to get those two out, and we're going to get one YM screw. Okay. I think if you look at that, that is the only point we're going to connect to. But let me have a check. Yep, that's the only point we're connecting to. A bit of oil. Let's put a little bit of Vaseline on that. I think that's fine. So we put those two together. They should be able to move, as I just show you. There we go. That's good. Then we turn it around, and that's where these lanterns go. We do that for the other side as well. It's a bit dirty, the light, but that's okay. All right, so let's get that one out. We're going to put that one, and we're going to put that lovely thing on. There we go. That stays in neat. You heard that go in. And we're going to turn it around, and we push these in. And there's one that has a little bit of an opening to go over that little part that you saw just there. Let me just push everything in neatly. So we've got those 3 brackets on, and we probably need that for this one. So we push that on like so. We're going to put 2 AMs in there. I'm chucking them. We do put a little bit of oil on the tip of that screw. This is, by the way, this is, I think, a very good way to put it together. Help with some pins and holes to put it into right position, and then you can screw it in quite easily right there. And that is what we have with those steps, as you can see right there. Yeah, it's a screen. I've thought this would have been on the outside, but this is a steam screen, more or less, heat screen, so you can walk on the inside here. It looked a little bit strange, but it is. I have done it right. And that is what we do of that train, and this is the first 4 packs in total, and this is what we have. Really liked it. Don't know what you did, but I liked it. Well, there you go. Those are the first few stages of this beautiful build. Let me just zoom it out a bit so you can see it properly. Just a second. These are the first few stages. 4 kits in total of this beautiful build, and some nice backs on the blisters that you have there. Quite a lot of screws that you do not see, but that are there. And I'm really happy with how that went. It is fiddly, but that's not strange, because it's a massive train that was brought down to 132 scale. 132. Yeah, 132 scale. So you get a lot of little parts that you have to put together, as you can see on this one. And right here, and there's a lot more. These lamps, for instance, as you can see, they've gone white, and they're really horribly dirty. But that's the only way I could have kept them in, so it's all right. We may put a light in there, and we'll see different lights in this as well. We had to glue that in as well, but fine. I really hope that you will join me next time when I do some more on these beautiful train builds, but there are some others in the background, and there's a lot more on my channel, so have a look at them, and there's more to come in the future. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time on any of those builds. Thank you very much. Bye bye.